In this video, we are going to see how you can change the width and height of cells in Microsoft Excel. So let's go ahead and have a look. All right, so here we are in our monthly budget example that we have been using throughout this video series. Let's say for formatting purposes or just to make it a little even, you would like to, change the width and height of the cells. So how would you do that? Over here, if you see, let's say I want to increase the width of column B, that is the month of Jan. So if you take your cursor and if you go between B and C, right over here, you will see that the cursor changes, right, with the two arrows going towards both sides. So once you see that, you can left click on it, select it, and then drag it towards your right hand side to increase the width, or you can drag it towards your left hand side to decrease the width, right? So if you go that and release it, you will see that the width has increased. Similarly, you can do it for other columns as well. But if I want to make these columns, of even width, then what should I do? Well, in that case, what you can do is you can select these columns together, right? So I've selected all these columns, or let's say, let me select the percentage as well. You just need to go at one place, let's say between B and C, left click on it, select it, and then increase the width. Maybe this much is okay, and then release it. And now you will see that all the cells that you had selected are of same width. Similarly, you can choose these columns, and if you want, you can decrease a little bit, and all the columns that are in your selection will have the same width. The same goes for the height as well. So either you can increase the height of one particular cell, or you can select the total rows and try to change the height, and that will make the height of all the cells in your selection of the same height. Now, if you want the cells to adjust to the width of the longest text within that cell, all you need to do is go back between B and C, let's say, and then double click over here. So if you double click, it will adjust to the width of the longest text that is available. Similarly, you can do it together for all of them, and you can just double click and then it adjusts according to the longest text available within that cell. The same thing goes for your rows as well. Just double click over there and it will adjust accordingly. For example, if it was this big, and if I double click over here, it will adjust according to the maximum height over here. In this case, well, this does not look that good, so I will do a little formatting and increase the width a little bit. So this is how you can increase the width and the height of cells in Microsoft Excel. Why don't you go ahead and try it out for yourself, and stay tuned for our next video.